So let's do this. Should we choose first? I think we should.
We're doing a question and answer.
These are date night questions. Or they're supposed to be.
Basically, it's this little cube thing from Table Topics. No, this is not sponsored, and yes, I got this on clearance. Okay, so date night topics, even though that's happening, we are now doing it with, what's your name? Who are you? You're London? Are you our child? Yeah, cool. We should pull up a chair for you, huh?
But you don't get any wine.
Okay, so try again. We have wine.
We do.
You do not. Oh, I'm supposed to look at the camera. Thanks, bud. Yes.
Focus. Focus.
Should you be on the other side of the camera? You got like director over here.
Okay, so we have a box of questions.
Yes.
Basically, we bought this because we never know what to ask each other at the end of the day, except for what did you do today and what do you want to watch on Netflix?
Yeah. Pretty much.
Or are you ready for bed, or are you tired?
What do you want to eat?
Yeah, so basically we were like, let's get some conversation going. So London, you get to choose the questions.
Should we drum roll?
Do you want drum rolls? Not you. You take the lid off and you get to pull the questions out. That's a
The struggle.
question, give it to mommy or daddy. Oh, for mommy. Okay. Where would we love to take a selfie? Yes.
Where would we love to take a selfie? I'm gonna have to say that this is not a single location thing. I'm gonna say that this is.
Are we answering for like what you think I would
Because
answer?
you just love it.
Yes, we do love it. Where do you think mommy and daddy would like to take a selfie?
Everywhere.
Exactly. That was gonna be my answer. Every country we visit.
What?
That we visit.
That we visit.
Now it's your daddy.
Oh, he's drawing from the middle. Uh-oh.
1 at a time.
Okay, drawing with the
Your
middle.
little finger.
Drawing in the middle. Ooh. This must be a deep question. It's not real deep.
That's not real nice.
What state are you okay with never visiting?
Vermont.
Wow! That was fast. Premeditated. Right. Well, that was a quick question. All right, Lennon.
What about you?
I honestly, like, she wants to visit all the countries. I want to visit all the states. But I guess if I had to single one out,
No.
I guess it'd be Rhode Island because it's the smallest one, so...
It'd be the easiest.
Yeah.
It's just which state or where you don't like.
I got the question.
What state about you? Which state would you be okay never going to?
Japan.
No, that's a country. What
You don't want to go to
state?
Japan? Currently seeking like travel buddies for Japan now.
Japan.
Oh, he's going from the end. Oh, and it's probably instructions.
Which famous couple would we like to go on a double date with?
Ooh,
I have mine.
wow. I don't know. I really don't know.
I do.
I'm having a hard time even thinking of famous couples. Like, there's not many that are still together.
It's funny because it's true.
Chris Pratt and Katherine Schwarzenegger.
Ooh, that would be a good
I
one.
think they look like they're a great time. Like, I think they know how to have fun. They love the Lord.
That would be a
That
fun
would be
one.
hilarious. Like,
That
I
would
feel
be a
like
fun
they
one.
would be able to crack jokes and not be too serious.
Yeah.
But then you could ask like hard-hitting questions.
Now, if this was like, you know, couples on screen, then I would have to say Nick and Jess.
Oh,
From
New Girl, no doubt.
Going from the middle.
Whew, okay.
All right.
We're gonna do 2 more questions each because if not, this will be a forever long.
Which of us is more outgoing?
Clearly, Colton.
Okay, next one for Mama.
Okay.
We're gonna cheers now.
Get one somewhere.
It's very selective.
Ryan right here.
What business enterprise could we start that the world needs?
Ooh.
That's intense, man.
That's
Business enterprise. Why not just say what business could you start?
business
What?
enterprise.
Say go enterprise.
Enterprise.
A world travel program where everybody gets to, like, you sign up for it and you would get to go to
Not like
a
Amway.
random, no, like you would go to a random country for a week every year for everybody. And so you
Like Russian roulette, but for Travelocity.
pretty much. But everybody,
TM.
yeah, there you go. What do you think?
No, I don't think the world needs
we have
that.
more.
Oh,
It says that the world needs. So I think a business enterprise we could start that the world actually needs. Dude, I don't know. I don't know why I said
you sounded so confident. Like, oh, I'm gonna throw down on this one. I've got this. And then
Thank you.
my
World
dance.
peace.
Okay. World peace.
World peace.
We have pink.
What do you most like about yourself? That smile right there.
My spontaneity.
Your spontaneity.
I like the fact that I would be down to like go on a trip at any given moment, or that I'm willing to do any adventure. Like, is mommy always ready for an adventure? Yeah.
For several years.
Only for several. He really likes that word several right now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's like whenever he was on his binge of actuallys.
Oh my gosh. You know, actually, I don't really like that food. We were like, and my last question.
The deep end.
From the deep end.
Aside from being allowed to have dessert before dinner, which I did, aside from being allowed to have dessert before dinner, what's your favorite part of being an adult?
Driving. I love driving.
Thank you for your time. Appreciate your help.
Well done. Well done.
All right.
So now that the director is gone,
Oh, my favorite
Last-
part of being an adult
yes. you're being played.
is getting to basically make the big decisions.
Ooh.
I know that sounds super unsexy and unglamorous, but I actually really like it. Like, oh, this is going to change the course of our family's life.
Making the big
Oh.
decisions.
Oh. I don't know why I did that.
All right. If you could be anywhere in 5 years' time, where would you be? Like in life or like location? In 5 years, where would you want to be?
Like, are you asking about life or location first?
In life.
In life, wherever the Lord wants me to be. I know that seems like a cop-out answer, but in all honesty, like, I think that's one of the biggest things is like not trying to have so much control over your life and just being like, okay, being Holy Spirit led with every single step.
Yeah.
I can see it down the road, like in my own mind, like being like, this will still be in our home. I know we'll have London, obviously.
Right.
Maybe 1 or 2 more children if the Lord wills. Lots of friends and family around, like being at our church, Rock City. Holla, shameless plug. Being in full swing after expansion.
Yeah.
And just
that would
really
be good.
serving and being beneficial to the community, not just being poachers of the community. I said it.
When did we poach?
Dude, not people poach.
Oh.
They're like, it's dirty. I'm like, then clean. For real though, if you want to complain that your city's dirty and you see paper on the ground and you refuse to pick it up, you've lost the right to complain. Bend
Yeah.
over, grab the paper towel, put it in the trash.
Yes. Okay, so physically, where do you want to be in 5 years?
In 5 years.
I don't want to say where do you want to have been, but where do you want to be?
The
Like,
goal trip, I either want to be in Greenland or in Antarctica.
ooh.
Because it's going to take me 5 years to save up to be able to afford Greenland or Antarctica.
And this is a good time to go because it is hot here. So
Just say,
go where
like-
there's some snow.
And you can like go on a glacier cruise. Like, that's just bomb. And I could ride sled dogs, so.
You could ride the dogs. Like ride the
Dogs,
sled.
okay, I could go dog sledding.
That would be funny. I think you missed the concept,
He's
man.
like, you don't really get to saddle up the dogs, man.
I'd like for, our business to grow, and I'd like to be giving back to the community more,
Side
being more
note.
involved.
The business.
Yes.
No one knows what you do. Welcome to YouTube. We haven't really done much about our personal life, but here we go. Yeah.
So yeah, I am a jeweler and a graduate gemologist, and we have a jewelry store where we manufacture jewelry and we sell at retail. So
His
that we would
parents-
grow.
His parents
Yeah.
own Suzann's Custom Jewelers here in Corpus Christi.
Mhm.
Another shameless plug. Go check them out. We'll drop the link below.
Yes. So we've recently got into manufacturing. So I guess I would like to see our manufacturing grow and have a whole manufacturing facility that we're running and be traveling and doing some sales for that and growing the business globally. That'd be fun.
Global.
Yes, global.
I don't know why I had thought about Globo Gym. Just then I'm like, that's
The
dodgeball.
Cobras.
Wow, welcome to the nerdness that is our life.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Looking forward to the expansion of our church and being in a new building by that point, and still being involved with the men's ministry and growing that, and the worship team also growing there too, and hopefully be putting out our own music at that point would be awesome.
All right, so if you guys like these questions, yay, good for you for sticking around. You have about...
Won nothing.
Yeah, you've won nothing. And you've sat here and watched us hang out in our house and drink wine while we're waiting on the chicken for dinner to cool down.
So cheers to you.
Yes.
We hope you enjoyed. We are.
And subscribe. Do all the stuff.
Yeah, everything that all the YouTube vloggers say at the end.
And they say that now because they all try to act like, oh, we don't know what's said. Like, we know what's said.
Yeah,
Subscribe.
you
We need
gotta
your
click the
subscriptions.
button,
Like,
the little bell, like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Whatever you want to do with it, that's fine.
they say that too. Here's the thing. If you like our channel, stay around. If you don't, bye.
Are you laughing at? I am.